What is up, everyone? NTG here, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up this Shining Fates Pikachu V collection. Pretty excited about this. Been holding on to it for a little bit, and I really want to pull that Charizard VMAX. So let's not waste any time and let's just start opening packs. Always love to get these boxes because of the promos, knowing that I'm at least going to get a V card. It's pretty sweet. Good looking Pikachu. It's a good looking card. And we get it in giant size too. Okay. Is there a Charizard in these packs? Let's hope so. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna open this bad boy first, I think. Can we get the luck? Can we get the luck? There we go. I think it's 3 from the back in this set, but I could be wrong. We'll find out. Wacky, Tropius, Rotom, Horsey, Yanma, Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur. Oh, reverse holo Eevee. Pretty sweet. And a Dreadnought and Energy. We don't need that. Start. Pack number 2. So yeah, the top cards I want are obviously the Charizard VMAX, but I'd be pretty pumped with that. There's a Ditto VMAX, a Lapras VMAX, and a Suicune that I'm pretty into. But then there's also a Galarian Meowth that just looks hilarious to me. So I'd be pretty happy with the Galarian Meowth. Okay. Team Yeltowel. Another Thwacky, Gym Trainer, Snom, Grookey. There's that Eevee. Put him up there. Morpeko, Choodle. Reverse is a Gym Trainer. And Yanmega. Okay, I thought I was guaranteed something good. I guess these the code cards aren't lining up. But I guess maybe next pack. Not so sure about these two. My buddy, he had opened 11 packs of these Shining Fates from, I ordered this off a game store in Ontario. And he pulled absolutely nothing, like not even one full art. It was crazy. So, hopefully I don't have the same luck as him. I'm really banking on that Charizard being in here. Charizard VMAX coming at you. Cramorant, Rusted Sword, Horsey, Yanma, another Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur, Double V. Okay, we got a full art. It's not the Charizard, but it's still pretty cool. And then a Dreadnought as the rare. Dang, that's pretty nice. Okay, pulled a full art. Now we got 1 pack left. Are you in there? This will probably be the last Shining Fates pack I ever open. So can we leave it on the best possible note? I think we can. There's gotta be a Charizard in here. Okay. Check that out. Energy. Another Thwacky. Come on. Charizard, you're in here. I can feel it. Feel your aura. Gossifleur. Reverse is a Zarude. And Manaphy. Okay, so this box wasn't the greatest. At least I got that reverse holo Eevee and this Dubwool. The card art looks pretty sick on this. And of course, we got the promo Pikachu. So didn't get any of my top 5 cards, but at least we got the double. So I'll take that over no full arts. But that does it for this video. Short and sweet and right to the point. No Charizard for me today. Well, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like this content, and check out my Instagram, TikTok. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay sweet, everyone.